Pac-Man game.
Wow. What does it feel like to you when you're using Scratch?
Well, I try to block all distractions around me, and I feel like I'm in like a blank space.
And you're just filling it out with what?
My creativity.
I've created a few, around 5 Photoshop tutorials.
Hey, this is Radimus. Thanks again for watching another one of my tutorials. Now, this tutorial is going to be on how to make cool text designs.
I've created videos about buses and how they work. Hey, this is Transcast 3, and today I will be talking about modern transportation and the new tech trains that run all throughout New York City. My talent, I do flash animations. I make small cartoons, and usually if I feel like it, I'll post it maybe on my blog or a website that I know, just to show it off. Well, this is my mom's site, Chunky Monkey Design. She makes lots of hats, and basically the whole website design was mostly me.
My talent, I have many talents. Which one would you like to hear about? Blogging is a good one for me because it's like so easy. It's just like you put like all your thoughts and feelings up there, and nobody has to know who you are. That is My Chemical Romance, the post everybody's been waiting for since September.
My talent is filmmaking. Almost all the students that go here live around this community, and hopefully that the knowledge that they get from watching my video, they get to treat this school better.
My talent is journalizing. Journalism, yeah. I don't care what anyone says, people don't accept you, or should I say, people don't accept you being not like them. But if that's the case with kids and students, what about teachers and parents?
We play the piano, we play like drums, but it's all on one piano. All I feel is angels falling over me.
So you came to this school not speaking any English?
No, I came just with Spanish.
It's pretty amazing to go from speaking no English to teaching people like a high-level software program.
I've learned a lot over the past couple of years.
I actually accomplished something. I accomplished something that other people like.
I don't think I've told anyone this, but I got an email not too long ago from this kids magazine, and they were saying that they've heard about my blog and they wanted to know if I wanted to write a story about it, or write a story and send it in.
Well, Ms. Lahana inspired me because he started rapping, and then I said, I wonder if I can impress him and write my own song.
I put them on YouTube, I put them on bus websites, I put them on my blog.
One day I was recording a show, and it was the Rosie's Broadway Kids. At the end, the person who produces, if you say, she saw me and she gave me her card. She was like, we can use your talent in our Broadway productions. And from there, I started filming and editing videos from them.
You wrote the words for this?
Yeah,
All by
all the words.
And what was it about?
It was about my father. I love him so much that he's like my inspiration.
What do you feel like when you're blogging?
I feel like I have the power to write about anything.
You're gonna continue doing it?
Yeah.
Yeah? How many are you gonna make?
I want to make like 20 or more.
What would you like to do when you grow up?
I would like to be a game designer.
I always had something to say, just never had anywhere to say it. Because always, children should be seen and not heard. I don't believe that. That's just annoying. It just doesn't make any sense. So now I have a place to do it.